Hi, my name is Robert. This video is designed to give you step-by-step detailed instructions on completing the task at hand. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. Removing the seats from these 960s. To get the back seat out, you push the front of the seat down, get that metal unhooked and back. Lift the seat out on both sides and then lift it up and pull it out of the car. Pretty easy. You'll actually hear it. Put your hand down there, you'll feel it right here close to the edge. Push down and back. 2 hands. Alright. To get the back seat out, you start by prying this metal up. So let me find these across the back of the car, because you gotta pry those up. Let me get the one on the other side. Loretta's trying to get the other side. Loretta, lift it up and then pull the top out. You gotta pull the top out when you lift it up. That corner, yeah. Okay. Lift up and pull that out. There you go. Pull it out toward me. All right, that's unhooked. Next, you lower the armrest. You pry this up, and you got 3 bolts right there. We're going to take those 3 bolts out. 10 millimeters out. Then I can get this headrest out of the way. With this tab pulled out, you lift up on the bottom of the seat and pull it towards you to unlatch it. Then you do that in the middle. Then you do that at 2 spots over there. Once the seat is loose, you slide it over that armrest. Move your seatbelt out the way. Now you got 2 screws here. Get these other headrests out, both sides. Then you gotta get that headrest loose with that bracket. 10 millimeters. All right, lift it up and out of there. Then you get 4 screws here to get this back armrest assembly out. You're also going to have to remove this screw seatbelt assembly so you can get this seat backrest out, unless you're going to thread it through there. Either way, it don't matter. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.